Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to buy a song on iTunes that you have just discovered using Shazam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then scroll down till you find the My Music section and tap on Shazams. Now you are ready to select the song that you would like to purchase on iTunes, so just simply tap on it. Tap on the icon that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen and choose the third option saying buy on iTunes. So now you will be directed to your iTunes account, and now you are ready to buy this song that you have just discovered on Shazam. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.